Hello students, welcome to my English language class. And today we discuss the chapter 16 Reef and Winkle exercise question answer, page number 131. So here you can see that today's we're gonna start English language class, and please note down in your diary today's English language lesson. So here the comprehension, fill in the blanks, all the children dash Reef and Winkle. Here the answer is all the children loved Ree Van Winkle. Okay, Ree Van Winkle did not like to do quarrel. Okay, झगड़ना पसंद नहीं था उसको. Dash always with him. His dash always his wife always quarrel with him. His faithful dog was called Wolf. The area on the top of the hill was filled with odd looking people. The Reef's astonishment, his beard became white. His beard had grown a foot long. Had grown a foot long. Okay. Please take a screenshot or write in your copy the answers. So next is there he heard a voice from a distance hallooing, Reef Van Winkle, Reef Van Winkle. Where was Reef going? Reef कहाँ पर जा रहा था? Who was calling his name? कौन उसे बुला रहा था? Why was he calling him? क्यों उसे बुला रहा था? Reef was going to the highest part of Catskill Mountains. Reef जा रहा था Catskill Mountains के highest part में. A stranger was calling him. यहाँ पे was होगा. The stranger was calling him. Number 3 यहाँ पे होगा. He thought that Reef assist his lord for helping him. Next question is, what is your name, my good woman? Asked he. So, who is the woman? What did Rip Van Winkle want to know from her? What did Rip Van Winkle tell her? So, उस woman का नाम क्या है? और रिप वैन विंकल उससे क्या जानना चाहता था? और रिप वैन विंकल ने क्या बोला था? ओके, द वुमन इज रिप्स डॉटर. Rip Van Winkle wanted to know from her that what is her father's name, and Rip Van Winkle told her that he is her father. Okay. So please take a screenshot or write the answers in your copy. Okay, so today we're gonna I just finish my class, and next day we discuss our question answer. Okay, so आज के लिए इतना ही स्टूडेंट्स. So take care, goodbye and keep learning.